Okay, so this video is just a little description of a good use of an ellipsis. So an ellipsis, E-L-L-I-P-S-I-S. An ellipsis is a device used in writing 3 dots in a row. Notice there are spaces between the dots. An ellipsis is used when you want to take a quote, something with substance or something substantial in length, and you want to keep it as an in-text citation or even as a block quote, but you want to shorten it in some way. Maybe it's because some of the information in the quote isn't important to what you want to say, so you want to get rid of it, you want to remove it, but you can't just get rid of it and not tell your audience or your reader. So we have the ellipsis to replace it. So anytime you take out a chunk of information, a chunk of a text, a piece of writing that you're not going to use, you replace it by putting in the 3 dots, which is an ellipsis. So if we're looking here at this little phrase here, we have our quotation. It goes almost 3 full lines, I guess you could say, but it must have gone longer, which would have possibly pushed it into the idea of a block quote. Maybe the author of this didn't want to go into a block quote. So she looked at the writing that she had, that she was taking out of page 286, and she decided right here that there could be some information that could be omitted. So what she did was she removed the few pieces of words, a sentence, a chunk, a phrase, whatever she took out, and she replaced it with the ellipsis right here. And this is an excellent use and example of an ellipsis. Also, just looking at this statement in general, she introduces her statement. She says, Mr. Gardner informs Mrs. Bennett, comma, quote, putting in the quote here. She ends with the quotation mark. Notice it doesn't say Austin 286 because there must be a citation earlier in her paper that has Austin in it. And also notice the period appears at the end of the statement after the parenthetical citation. This is well done. This is a very good use of the ellipsis.